Today could be the day that you change everything. Today is a day that you could choose to perform a different activity than your normal daily activity. And if you can keep them consistent and show up for it each day and refrain from doing that which you want to quit, then within 6 to 8 weeks, one day you'll wake up and just forget that you used to do that habit. You'll just automatically roll into the new habit. And that's something that I long for. Something that I desire is that moment. But you see, a lot of us, we wait. We wait. We sit and hope. Oh, I'm gonna go on a diet. I hope I can do it this time. We already lose as soon as we start the hope thing. So what's the solution? It's to really be serious and to not give in to your cravings. That when you have a desire or a craving or an impulsive, desire, once again, the ability to stop, pull over, close your eyes, meditate, whatever it is. Just think about it for a minute. What is the benefit of this? And what are the setbacks of this behavior? Write them down. Somewhere where you can see them every day. And that's a hard thing for me because there's so many things that I was trying to change. I've written things down here, there, and my phone over here on the wall. I've even painted paintings on the wall with messages on it. And after so many days, it just blends in with the wall, and it's just the environment and the scenery, so we don't notice it anymore. So it's almost like it's invisible. I guess a reminder on our phone every day. First thing, like before we wake up, ding. Today I will not do da 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 da. And remind yourself, put a sticky note on your phone. I did it the other day. It's tomorrow. And I woke up and I thought, you asshole. Because today, I say I'll quit tomorrow. And then tomorrow, I say I'll quit tomorrow. And then tomorrow, I'll quit tomorrow. Today is yesterday. Or yesterday, today was tomorrow. And now it's here. Start working on that thing you want to change. Just a little step. And I'm going to tell you something. The thing you want to change may take a few years to change. Just don't give up on yourself. You can fail 50 times. Try that 51st time. Because that might be the magic one. Have a good day.